Well, good evening, tubers. It's Crypto Big Boss coming to you again on the 5th of January, 2022. And it looks like we're in the midst of another flash crash, just like we saw in the spring and the early summer of 2021. And, it's painful to watch, Bitcoin sliding below 50 grand. It's painful to watch Ethereum headed back towards $3,000. It's painful to watch, the entire market cap starting to slip. And we won't even talk about the metaverse. I guess we can talk about it, but you can look at this and see everything is sliding by 8 to 10%. And I know what you're thinking. I bought into Sheeb and it's down and it's never going to stop going down. Well, I remember when we were talking about Sheeb and we bought into it and people were saying it's never going to stop going up. This is why I caution people, and I always tell people to do your own research. This is not financial advice, and nor is all the other stuff on the internet. We have to understand what we're buying. And we have to understand that just because we see red all over the screen, that this is not necessarily a bad thing. This presents a buying opportunity. I'm looking at this and I'm like thinking, okay, Decentraland, oh my goodness, you can get it for less than $3. I thought it was a bargain at $4. Now, some people might be thinking he's crazy. He's just going to lose it all. Crypto Big Boss is crazy and he doesn't know what he's talking about. Okay. Well, Axie Infinity, look at that, 20% off. Filecoin is sitting up here at 12% off. Look, these things were shooting to the moon. And now you've got an opportunity to pick you some up, for those who sold off at Christmas time and now to jump back in. What better time to jump back in? And I said I wasn't going to talk about the metaverse, but let's just go over there and just take a look at this. I said there was safety in the metaverse. There's no safety now. Even the metaverse, Decentraland, Axie Infinity off 17%. Look at this. In the last 24 hours, it's been someone got the switch out and pretty much started beating on this. Okay, Wax, Sushi Swap, Enjin Coin, anything that could be considered metaverse here. Everything's taking a beating. Even look at that. Phantasma, oh my goodness, that's a big lick. Okay, but again, what are you investing in? If you're one of these people that's just trying to play the numbers and get in and out, I don't know how to say this without being crass or ugly, but that's just not a great investment in a strategy. You need to know more about what that coin is and what they're using the blockchain for. And then you won't get so upset. I had a conversation with someone about Saitama. And I'll probably do another video on this, but I'm going to go ahead and make the segue right now. If you look at the video I have on Saitama on this channel, and oh, by the way, if you're not a subscriber, this is as good a time as any to like and subscribe. I was one of the people, while everybody was going hip hip hooray on Saitama, I didn't understand what the value of it was. I went there, I analyzed it. I'm like, I begged people to tell me, what makes Saitama so great. And nobody said anything. Look, I thought it was garbage to begin with. Bogus coin. Okay. But we're going to go back and we're going to talk about Saitama in the next video. But I want to put out a word of encouragement for those people who are looking at the switch that's been taken out. Hey, it'll be down 10%, 11% today, and it'll be up 30% in 2 days. You never know, okay? But what you do know is you can go in and look at the timelines, the white papers, and the actual inroads that these companies are making as they explore blockchain technology to solve a myriad of problems out here, whether they be trying to use NFTs inside of video games or whether they're trying to solve bigger problems with blockchain technology. And if you believe in what capability these folks are going to bring to the table, then stick by your guns. Stick by your guns and be confident in your investment, even as the roller coaster goes up and down. So I hope this has been encouraging. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. We're going to continue watching what's going on with the metaverse coins. We're going to continue to watch what's going on with the Big 10, the top 10 coins. Drop a like, drop a subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll catch you on the next one.